Growing your Amazon sales starts with choosing the right keywords for your product listings. In this video, you will learn how to identify and strategically place the most relevant keywords in your bullet points and descriptions to improve your rankings and drive more sales. If you would like to use Helium 10 to discover better keywords, check the link and the special offer in the video description. And if you want to take advantage of this tool, use the discount code ORANGE10 to get 10% off their monthly plan.
Want to boost your Amazon sales and visibility? Hi, my name is Nikki from Klik, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to find and strategically place the best high-ranking keywords in your bullet points, product descriptions, using Helium 10's Cerebro tool, and listing builder. Keywords are the foundation of a successful Amazon listing. They help your product get indexed properly, making it easier for potential buyers to find. By optimizing your listing with the most relevant and high-traffic keywords, you'll not only improve Amazon's search rankings, but also attract a wider audience, increase impressions, and ultimately drive more conversions. Whether you're struggling with low traffic or simply want to outrank your competition, I'll be sharing expert strategies on how to seamlessly integrate the right keywords in the right places to maximize your product's discoverability and sales. So let's get started. We will start first with the strategies for finding the best keywords for Amazon product bullet points and descriptions. First is the reverse ASIN lookup on competitors. The goal here is to identify proven high-performing keywords competitors are ranking for. First, enter the 3 to 5 competitor ASINs of the nursing pillow product that you're trying to look for. Once you're able to select the competitors, open Cerebro, and the filter should be a minimum of 500 monthly search volume, an organic rank of 30, and title density of less than 10. From the keywords that was filtered after these filters, the keywords found were breastfeeding pillow for women. It is a high volume established keyword with an increasing search volume trend. Another is baby support pillow. It has a good demand and slightly less competition. The next is anti-reflux newborn pillow. This is a specific needs equals higher buyer intent. These newly found keywords will boost exposure by using keywords that competitors are already succeeding with. It also reduces trial and error by leveraging proven terms. The second tip could be to focus on mid-tail and long-tail keywords for better conversion. The goal here is to find targeted phrases that reflect buyer intent and have less competition. In Helium 10 Cerebro, again with the same competitors that we have selected a while ago, we use the filters with a word count of 3 or more words with a search volume of 500 to 5,000 and competing products of less than 5,000. So with these filters, we were able to find keywords such as afterbirth essentials for mom kit. This targets motherhood phase, which is after birth. And another is that we can see that is recurring is a colic baby relief pillow. It solves a specific customer need, which is anti-reflux for babies. Choosing these keywords means it's easier to rank for compared to broad and competitive terms. It attracts customers with a clear purchase intent, improving conversion rates. The next tip to find the best keywords could be the high relevancy and moderate competition. The goal here is to focus on terms that match your product's features while avoiding irrelevant or overly competitive keywords. In the Helium 10 Cerebro filters, choosing the top competitor ASINs that sell similar nursing pillows, we also use the parameter with which products with good reviews 4.2 stars and above and steady sales ranking for the most accurate keyword data. The following filters should be a minimum of 800 to a maximum of 10,000. This ensures keywords have steady demand but aren't too broad or competitive. It filters out low traffic and hyper-competitive keywords. The organic rank should be a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 30. It focuses on keywords that top competitors are ranking for organically and avoids low-ranking, irrelevant, or poorly performing terms. title density should be less than 10. It identifies keywords that are not overly saturated in competitor titles, and higher chances of ranking faster if used in your bullet points and other parts of your product listing. The competing products should be under 5,000. It ensures you're targeting keywords with moderate competition, avoids highly competitive terms with 50,000 competing listing. The word count is 3 or more. It focuses on mid-tail to long-tail keywords that capture buyer intent. And again, it helps avoid broad, vague terms like just nursing pillow. Then we can also exclude irrelevant terms. We remove unrelated terms such as pregnancy pillow, baby nest, and of course the branded terms, so much so that we can filter out those relevant keywords without any branded words. Once the filters are applied, we will review the list and choose keywords that first describe the product's feature. If your product has covers, then since we can see that these breastfeeding pillows and pillow covers is another term for nursing pillow, then it's another good keyword to invest on, highly relevant as well as this nursing pillow with cover. Another type of keywords that we will choose is to describe or highlight a unique selling point. It could be an ergo natural curve nursing pillow. It describes ergonomic ability and nursing pillow with firm support. So it describes another unique selling point for your product. Another type of keyword that we're going to choose, which targets a specific buyer need, is a travel nursing pillow. If the product is indeed a travel nursing pillow, then including it in your bullet points could increase the chances of visibility. Nursing pillow for plus size moms as well is another specific buyer need, which includes the type of moms that are in need of this nursing pillow. Indeed, by using the filter that we just provided, you can uncover highly relevant yet less competitive keywords to give your nursing pillow listing a better chance to rank, attract the right audience, and drive conversions. The last tip for getting the best keywords is to use competitor gap analysis to find missed keywords. The goal here is to discover keywords your competitors rank for that you haven't targeted yet. On the Helium 10's Cerebro, enter your product ASIN plus the top competitor ASINs. Filter it with organic rank of top 10 and title density of under 10. For the keywords that we have seen from this filtered search, the missed opportunities could be breastfeeding pillow or baby feeding pillow. These are highly targeted yet underused keywords. As you can see, they have very good search volume, increasing search trend, and as well as they are not the usual terms that you would have in your own listing, but have been using more in your competitors' listing. So baby feeding or breastfeeding is another missed opportunities that now you can capture and add to your bullet points or product description. Another missed opportunity keywords that we have discovered is adjustable nursing pillow or portable nursing pillow. It appeals to parents seeking portability. If indeed your product is a travel nursing pillow, then including the words adjustable or portable is another way to capture the audience seeking portability. Another best keyword opportunity is bottle feeding pillow. It's another form of feeding, for example, bottle feeding, that some of your audiences are typing in to search for this product. So this is another opportunity to add into your listing. Discovering the gaps to find niche keywords means that it will help you rank for keywords your competitors are already profiting from. It reveals untapped keyword opportunities that competitors may be overlooking. Once you've gathered your keyword list, here's the summary of winning keywords for Helium 10's Cerebro Best Keyword Research Strategies. For reverse ASIN lookup, we found a breastfeeding pillow for women. For mid and long tail keywords, we found afterbirth essentials for mom kit. For high relevancy keywords, we found breastfeeding pillows and pillows or nursing pillow with cover. For buying intent keywords, we saw colic baby relief pillow. For competitor gap analysis, we saw the keywords breastfeeding pillow or baby feeding pillow or bottle feeding pillow. By applying these strategies, you can create highly optimized bullet points and descriptions that drive better indexing. Now, how to use keywords strategically in bullet points and product description using Helium 10's listing builder. Now that we have gathered high relevancy, moderate competition keywords using Helium 10 Cerebro, it's time to strategically place them in your Amazon listing using Helium 10's listing builder. If you have the list of the keywords that you have selected through these strategies, you can import them into your listing builder or import from your Cerebro keyword list, either manually or from Cerebro keyword list. The tool will track keyword usage in your title, bullet points, product description, and search terms. So, of course, in the title, you include the primary keywords as well as in the first bullet point for maximum visibility. For long-tail keywords, integrate naturally in bullet points to capture buyer-specific searches. For buying intent keywords, use in product descriptions to connect with ready-to-buy customers. And competitor gap keywords, you may add to bullet points and descriptions to target missed opportunities. So you can use Helium 10's AI product listing builder. You can create your new listing with AI. So this is a good thing for Helium 10 is that you get the best keywords from the Cerebro tool, easily integrated in the system and easily imported here. And if you want to create a well-written product listing, you will just have to add or supplement here the product characteristics. So it could be from the keywords that you have selected from your new keyword research, and as well as the ones that you already know are the unique selling point for your product, like ergonomic, made with cotton, anti-colic, anti-acid reflux, portable and adjustable, breastfeeding pillow. So when you click write it for me, it will automatically write the product title, bullet points, and the rest of the listing for you. Of course, this is not an end-all be-all part of writing a listing. And of course, the AI will do its best job to create conversational copy that will engage your target audience. However, if I were to write it based from this initial creation, this is how I would write it. For bullet point, it should be a superior comfort and support for mom and baby. The keywords that I will use here are breastfeeding pillow for women, baby support pillow, because it's one of the primary keywords. So as you can see, designed for new moms, highlighting that we are catering to new moms and using the opportunity keywords or missed opportunity keywords like breastfeeding pillow and making it more cohesive. So our bullet point 1 is this one, and next one is another feature which relieves discomfort from reflux and colic. So again, this targets a specific need of parents, and by highlighting this bullet point as my product feature, it will automatically stand out and capture the attention of my target audience. Another part of the bullet point is adjustable, multi-use, and plus size friendly. So it addresses the issues that some of my competitors may not have addressed, like adjustability, the comfort, the level of comfort, and targeted to specific market, which is the plus size moms. So again, we are adjusting our product listing based on the new best keywords that we have found from the strategies that we have shared a while ago. And we are able to now try and write better bullet points that will capture better visibility, better ranking, and hopefully conversions sooner. Bullet 4 is about washability and how travel friendly it is. And bullet 5 is targeted for must-haves for new moms and gifts. The keywords used here are afterbirth essentials for mom kit, breastfeeding pillow, or baby feeding pillow. Now, we can see that the listing builder AI can also create the product description for us by supplying this keyword bank, and I have rewrote it in this way The keywords used here is breastfeeding pillow for women, anti-reflux newborn pillow, ergo natural curve nursing pillow, and so on. So we don't forget to optimize the backend search terms. Since Amazon doesn't allow keyword stuffing in visible content, use the search terms to insert relevant keywords that you couldn't fit naturally into the listing. So for the example keywords for a nursing pillow, it could be soft, newborn, feeding pillow, best nursing pillow for reflux, compact travel nursing pillow, hypoallergenic breastfeeding pillow, baby feeding support pillow, and breastfeeding must-have for new moms. These are the final checklists before publishing. For the title, prioritize high-volume primary keywords. For bullet points, highlight features and benefits while integrating keywords naturally. For product description, expand on key selling points, making it engaging and informative. For backend keywords, include any remaining relevant keywords for additional indexing. And there you have it. By using Helium 10's powerful keyword research tools like Cerebro and Product Listing Builder, you can find the best keywords to optimize your Amazon listings, from bullet points to product descriptions up to backend search terms, so you can boost your rankings, impressions, and conversions. If you want to take your Amazon keyword research to the next level, Helium 10's all-in-one seller tool makes it super easy to find, track, and implement high-performing keywords. And the best part, you can save big with our exclusive discount codes. Use code ORANGE10 to get 10% off any Helium 10 monthly plan. Or go even bigger with ORANGE6M20 for 20% off your first 6 months. You'll find all the details in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop some good vibes in the comments. Hit that like button, share, and of course subscribe to our Orange Klik YouTube channel for more Amazon FBA tips. This is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to find and use the right keywords for your Amazon listings. If you want to try Helium 10, the suite of tools, check out the link in the video description, and don't forget to use the discount code ORANGE10 to get 10% off their monthly plans. And if you enjoy the content we create, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons below. And if you have additional comments or questions about the content you just watched, leave them in the comment section below. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to steal best competitors' keywords. So check this out.